Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. A few days ago, I tore apart 2 old box springs. I'll be uploading that video soon. I looked on Pinterest to find some ideas for things I could create using some of the springs. I found this adorable bird's nest sitting on a bed spring and thought I would give it a try. It sounded like making a bird's nest was simple. Believe me, it's not. And it is a very messy project. So I would definitely recommend using a box or something with sides to try to contain all the grass and anything else you want to add to the bird's nest. I had this old bundle of wheat in my stash and thought, hey, that would be a great bird's nest. I cut the wheat and added it to a bowl with water and Mod Podge. With my hands, I mixed the wheat, Mod Podge, and water until the wheat was covered completely. Now my hands were so sticky I couldn't touch anything, so I just kept going with it. I continued adding wheat to the bowl and trying to make a bird's nest shape. I tried to use my hot air gun to dry the mixture, but I think I added way too much water. I took the mixture out of the bowl to try to dry the bottom of the nest with my hot air gun. And all the white you see is the water and Mod Podge. I should have put another bowl or a cookie sheet under the nest, but I used a paper towel to soak up what I could from my work table. And continued trying to shape up the nest. Since everything was so wet, I decided to try to squeeze as much water out as I could. I tried to break up as much of the wheat as I could because at this point I had so much glue on me I didn't want to touch my scissors or anything else. I continued working with the mixture until I was able to form a nest. I left the nest sitting on a cookie sheet overnight to let it dry. The next day, this is what I had. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I used some moss and applied it randomly to the nest. To attach the nest to the bed spring, I used this piece of wood, glued it to the small end of the bed spring, and then glued the nest to the wood. The bird nest I made is not perfect, but hey, I like it and it fits perfectly with my other Easter and spring decor. I put various color and size Dollar Tree eggs in the nest, and just look at how stinking cute. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!